Jikelele mbukeli sikwamukele ohlelweni lakho luyingqayizivele Ekhaya Jikelele la ku DTT. Thina ke mbukeli igama lami nguNonxelwa kwaMtshali kanti ngihlezi nokholosa uMadlungu othwala ubisi. Umsebenzi wethu nje mbukeli ukuthi sikulethele zonke izindaba ezihamba phambili ezemidlalo, ezomnotho nezimo nje kanye neindaba ezenzekayo ke in general. Njengamanje ke mbukeli ke kodwa njengoba sesingena ehoreni lethu sekuyisikhathi sokuthi sibone ukuthi iziphi ezihamba phambili.
Nke masingene kuzo.
Was in the position of Makumala. Where was Makumala at that point?
Inside of the vehicle, in Joalo, right along, of the yard of my place of residence. Now, as we are inside of
Kulindeleke ukuba ingqina lenkundla uNthabiseng Mokiti ameqongeni athwaqwe imibuzo kwinkundla ephakamileyo yasePitoli namhlanje.
Umkhandlu udolobha iGoli uthi usuyiqalile imigudu yokuthi ingabe kufanele isigameko sokuqephwa komgwaqo eGoli singahlonzwa njengenhlekelele.
Igama ayifana Mr. Haimani elakho ayankalazi but ubukele Ekhaya Jikelele engicela uhlale ubukele Ekhaya Jikelele elami igama ku-ayifani unyana kaMamthembu uzum dlalela ingoma ezimnandi uzum dlalela ingoma ezimnandi uMamthembu uthanda ingoma ezimnandi Haimani
Ngatsho Haimani hayifani sihlomele mgama ke November wethu. Kulindeleke ukuba ingqina lenkundla uNthabiseng Mokiti ameqongeni namhlanje athwaqwe ngemibuzo njengoko ityala lokubulala uSenzo Meyiwa liza kuqhubeka kwinkundla ephakamileyo yasePitoli namhlanje. Umokiti ngummelwane wesibini ukunika ubungqina emva kukaKhanya Ncatshe.
Umkhandlu udolobha waseGoli uthi usuqale izinhlelo zokuhlonza ukuqhuma okwenzeke enkabeni yaleli dolobha njengenhlekelele. Lokhu kulandela ukuthi ngolwesithathu olwedlule kwaqhuma igesi emathunjini omgwaqo uLillian Ngoyi owaziwa ngeBri. Ngeshwa ke mbukeli lesehlakalo sedlula nomphefumulo womuntu oyedwa kwalimala ke abangama48. Phezulu kwalokho kwaphinde kwakhahlamezeka nezimoto ezabe ihamba kulomzila emva kokuthi izalala amankenyane. Kepha kwamanje ayikahlonzwa imbangela lesehlakalo kwazise phela kusaqhubeka uphenyo.
Ukuchotshelwa kwebail kumagosa sibhozo ecandelo lenkonzo zokhuseleko lwe-VIP kasekela mongameli uPaul Mashatile liza kuqala namhlanje. Abarhanelwa bavele kwesibini kwinkundla kaMantyi eRandburg emva kokuzinikezela kwabo kwisikhululo samapolisa eSandton ngeCawe. Lamagosa ajongene nezityholo zokubetha ngeenjongo zokwenzakalisa umzimba, ukukhomba ngompu, ukonakalisa impahla, ukuqhuba ngokungenankathalo kwanokuzama ukoyisa ubulungisa. Batyholwa ngokubetha abantu abathathu kuhola wendlela uN1 eRhawutini ekuqaleni kwale nyanga. Bonke abatyholwa abasisibhozo bazikhabile izityholo abatyabekwe zona. Kwezamazwe omhlaba umengameli waseNiger uMohamed Bazoum usegudluziwe emandleni okuphatha. Lokhu kwenzeke emva kwamahora ambalwa evinjezelwe emzini wakhe njengenhloko yombuso kuleli yazwe. Lokhu kumenyezelwe iqembu lamasosha station setelevision kuleli yazwe izolo kusihlwa. Efunda istatimende uColonel Amadou Abradaman uthi imingcele yaseNiger isivaliwe izwe lafakwa ngaphansi komvalelandlini kwaphinde ke kwamiswa nokusebenza kwezikhungo zomphakathi. Lamasosha aphinde futhi exwayisa ngemizamo engase yenziwe amanye amazwe ukungenelela aqinisekisa ukuthi cha azomhlonipha uBazoum. Lesi sigameko sesikhombisa ke soketulwa kombuso ezifundeni ezisentshonalanga nasemazweni amaphakathi nezwekazi iAfrika.
Umphathiswa wamapolisa uBhekicele kunye nabaphathiswa abaphantsi kweqela elijongene nezokhuseleko baza kuqulunqa iindlela zokulwa nobugebenga kwingingqi yase-OR Tambo eMpuma Koloni kwi-Eastern Cape Development Iindaba nebibanjwe eMthatha.
Osomashishini, iinkokheli zomthonyama, abenkonzo zemvaba ngemvaba nemibutho ezimeleyo yabucala badibanise inhloko apha bavakalisa izikhalazo zabo ngokuqotsela kolwaphulo-mthetho oluthe qolu kwenyuka kummandla waseMthatha.
Imeeting yona inhle for uba abantu bathethe baqhubeleke phambili, kodwa umdla wam kukubona kusenzeka ngoba ilizwe lehlile liphantsi kakhulu. Njengoba sigqiba apha kuzawubulawa abantu abathandathu apha eMthatha. Njengoba nditshilo nalapha entlanganisweni 42 murders zenziwa, akabikho mntu obanjwa.
Umphathiswa uBhekicele uthi uzomema onke amasebe achaphazelekayo ekulwisaneni nolwaphulo-mthetho kwilizwe loMzantsi Afrika, nalapho bazojonga iindlela zokulwisana nolwaphulo-mthetho eMthatha.
Siyavuma ukuthi umhlangano onjalo uzofanele ube khona. Siyavuma futhi ukuthi kuzofanele sisheshise ikhathi kungathathi isikhathi eside, nokuthi ke esibhekene namaphoyisa ezikhalo sivumela ukuthi sokwazi ukuthi siyilungise.
Siyathemba into kokuba uzawuza ke ngoku nalezi ministers ze-security cluster sesikeze nabe trade and industry no small business kuzojongwa holistically lo mcimbi wale crime, because obunye wabo ubangelwa kuba abantu abaphangele.
Le ndibano ezodibanisa bonke abaphathiswa abajongene ne-security cluster izawubanjelwa kwalapha eMthatha kwiiveki ezingephi. Ndinkululeko Nyembezi weendaba ze-SABC eMthatha.
Amenyezelwe amagama abayisishiyagalombili abazoba ingxenye yenhlolokhono njengoba kufuneka ozongena esikhundleni somvikeli womphakathi. Le nhlolokhono izobanjwa ngasekupheleni kaNcwaba.
Ayisishiyagalombili amagama abantu abasodlwini lokuhlolelwe sokuba ngumvikeli womphakathi. Uma bonke bephumelele ekuhlolweni bazobizelwa inhlolokhono ePhalamende. Kulaba abayisishiyagalombili abaqokiwe kubalwa kuba uMbango Lukhayimani ophakanyiswe ngabahlanu ekomidini, uAdvocate Zidiso Dipanyane naye ophakanyiswe ngabahlanu, uAdvocate Lynn Murray ophakanyiswe ngabane, yibamba lomvikeli womphakathi uAdvocate Kholeka Caleka naye ungene ngabane, uAdvocate Oliver Jozi ophakanyiswe ngabathathu, uAdvocate Nzewa naye uphakanyiswe ngabathathu, kube yiManju Johanna Lidwaba ophakanyiswe ngababili kanye noSolwazi uBoyitumelo Muyisinyane naye uphakanyiswe ngababili. Akuwona wonke amaqembu agculisekile ngendlela okuhlelwe ngayo.
You're asking us to nominate 8 candidates, and it is quite obvious that those will be political appointees of the different political parties.
I-IFP ayizange ihambisane nalolu hlelo lokuqoka abantu.
Not a single person here was voted by Iindaba. First time I'm seeing them, and whoever I'm going to propose here is on the basis of going through their interviews, their motivation, and whoever has contributed, and that is it.
Ngokohlelo lwePhalamende, inhlolokhono izothatha izinsuku ezimbili ngasekupheleni kaNcwaba. Ikomiti lizobe selinquma ngalokhu bese liphakamisa igama esishayamthetho sikazwelonke.
Njengamanje ke embukeli sekuyisikhathi sokuthi sisiqunje kancane ezitolo kodwa siyabuya emva komzuzwana mangabe sibuya sikuphathela into ezikhala kamnandi. Siphetheni makhona.
Lalela ntombi jonga iyacondoba intombi. Igama lakhe nguSiphokazi sika Miss International Preteen Globe 2023. Lalela kusekhaya Jikelele la siphele into ezikhala kamnandi.
Yes girl.
Yeah baba girl. Aha. Yes. Ooh. Enkosi ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele apha ekhaya jikelele kwinkqubo ndaba yakho uDCT. Unobuhle oneminyaka 13 budala uSiphokazi Muhuhule wakwamhlanga kutshanje. Well, uthwese isithaba sokuqala sika Miss International Preteen Globe 2023 khona pha eParaguay. uSiphokazi ke uphumelele ukhuphiswano olubanjwe kusuka ngosuku lokuqala ukuya kwelesixhenxe kule nyanga imiyo. Ukanti ngoku siqhagamshelana naye kodwa ke ngaphambi kokuba senze njalo masirhabule sifince kumsebenzi omhle awenzayo.
To break my walls, but I'm still spinning out of control from the fall. Boy, you give good love, I won't lie. It's what keeps me coming back, even though I'm terrified.
And the winner is Siphokazi. Take your crown. Yes. Yebo girl. Siyakomkele ekhaya jikelele.
Ngithokoze nami ukuba la feel welcome.
Yo nami ngithokozile yazi indlela humble ngayo. In fact, i-height yami yanivumela bachonga man be humble because ulapha you are the girl. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All the way from Paraguay, Ntombi. Yenzeke njani? Khawusibalisele ngohambo lwakho.
Okay, my journey started when I was at school. In 2019, I was doing grade 4, and a pageant organizer came at school to do a charity work, and she decided that I should come and enter their local pageant. So, like, I decided to try, and when I tried, I liked to embrace the opportunity. So I decided to try for Mr. and Miss Thembisile, but unfortunately I didn't win. And my inspiration and the dream, I feel like my dream came true when I tried for this, because like it's a big opportunity to win a Mr. and Miss Thembisile, but I didn't win, unfortunately. So now I'm in this big platform, Miss Preteen International Globe.
Oh.
Yes, so it's a dream come true that I won.
Wow, let's go back to that moment. I'm sure it was surreal. I mean, this is an international platform. How was the moment?
It felt surreal because like there were many contestants, so like I stood up against all the contestants, so it felt surreal, and I was really happy that I represented my country, South Africa.
Wow. And siyazi kaloku into yokubana kwi-modeling agency it's a very competitive industry, because xa ufika phayana ufika nabanye nobuhle, xa uthi uyajonga lona kutheni ngathi umde udlula mna, xa ujonga omnye eyakho ifika ithe nca. I mean, how did you prepare yourself, especially uzawulwa ne-insecurities?
Okay, first for international pageant, you need to get everything ihambe vele ngoline. So I first did my interviews and charity work so that I can get a bigger platform. And then I started preparing my catwalk and how to speak when I'm asked questions. So when I went to an international pageant, I made sure that I'm prepared so that I can stand up against my contestant. And when it comes to insecurities, I've never had someone talk bad about me, but I've realized that even if you do good or you do bad, everyone will have a comment about what you do. So like, I feel like you should put all the negativity aside and focus on the positive side.
That is so true. Bantu bayohlala bethetha mntasekhaya. And I mean, this is a groundbreaking moment. But in Ekhaya,
Ekhaya, they are so happy because like nabo bangifisela into enhle njengami nami ngizifunela into enhle. So like bangifisela ukuthi ngiphumelele nami, and it felt great ukuthi nami ngiyakhona ukuphumelela and ngiyazi express ukuthi I'm showcasing my talents and representing South Africa at an international platform.
so khawusixelele njengokubana you've represented uMzantsi Africa at this international platform. Ingaba mhlawumbe zintoni ethe waziphumelela, because I mean utshilo earlier on into okubana sisazoshipwa because the international wena kahle kahle une international problems, yeah.
So I'm a gift. I'm still waiting for a gift. So I think it's a surprise because nami angazi ukuthi I'm waiting for what or what to expect. So and the crown nami iphukile on the day of the finale. So they have to ship it, and mabayishipha izoza nama gifts.
Wow, that is so amazing. Yazi siyavuyisana kakhulu nawe. And then ndiyabona into yokubana nangoku unxibileyo you have that ndebele element. I mean, as a beauty pageant okanye as a model okrawniwishiweyo phayana, why is it important into yokubana ufake nesintu sakho kuyo iwestern?
So outfit lena we had to do a national outfit as represent a country which is South Africa, my country. So I did all the beadwork to represent a South African flag, and this yellow Beijing and German minerals is now South Africa, and I felt that it is important to ngifake isindebele this is ndebele ishila lesindebele so that it can represent my culture and my roots from where I come from.
And I mean, you are rooted and grounded in your identity, which is really beautiful. Ngopumbuza bathe bakubuza wona judges.
My judges was about I think it was cyberbullying. It was, what would you say to a person who is being cyberbullied? So they're asking for an advice.
And what did you say? What was your answer?
My answer, I cannot remember it exactly the same.
Because you were flowing.
But I think, my answer was, if you are being cyberbullied, social media can either build you or break you. So when you're being cyberbullied, I think it has to come with umuntu ojealous, because umuntu angeke kusokele manje abe choose ukuthi eating bullish this one or this one. They feel intimidated by you. So I think we should put all the negativity aside, as I said earlier, and take on the positive side.
Amazing. And speaking of bullying and critics, siyaqonda into yokubana i-beauty iminisha izinto ezi different for a lot of people. So now that you are in this modeling industry, siyaqonda into yokubana i-beauty idefinwa nayo ngendlela ezohlukileyo. To you, what does beauty mean?
To me, beauty, I'm all about inner beauty, because you may be beautiful outside, but when ngaphakathi unjani. I-pageant, it's about people seem it as like it's about outer beauty, but it's not about outer beauty. It's about inner beauty. The way you are intellectual, like and the important aspect is how you can be the ambassador of a brand. So like when it comes to pageantry, I don't look at the outer beauty part. Yeah, you're yes, because all of the people say yes, you need to be beautiful, go to pageant, but it's not about that. You need to be beautiful, but with brains.
Wow. And you are that combo. Beauty, you are radiating this beauty from within, and it shows from the outside, which is really incredible. How do you juggle between having to focus at school? How do you juggle?
Okay, it's a lot. It's really a lot. But I understand Witi on weekdays it's cool. But imagine I'm school in Lovile because I had an important interview. So I guess I'll find my homework sang Ekhaya, and I'll need to catch up So sasa ngizoqonda imisebenzi yami yesikolo and I have a schedule ukuthi izinto ngizozenza kanjani because manje angiyazi ukuthi ngine schedule esingilindile ekhaya sizothi ukuthi I have to do this and this and this and this and this and ngiyazi ukuthi next week maybe I have an interview or something or a charity work. So like on weekdays at school and weekends it's maybe interviews or charity works, and if ngama weekdays ngiyaphazamisa kuyenza ukuthi kuvele interview, so esikolweni they have to dismiss me and then mina ngizobuya ngicash up with all the school work because I make sure with my school work it's on point.
Into ethi ke sana smart, the fact that even your teachers bayakwazi ukunikeza laa nto yokuba no we understand, which is really something that is beautiful. Kuhle kakhulu xa zobe kunikeza inkxaso. Qinisekile into yobana bekhona ne-homecoming xa ubuya phaya?
Yeah, there was a homecoming at airport, but we're still waiting for the bigger one to come. So it is hosted by the municipality because Baba Fanda ama funds wam ukuthi ngihambe eParaguay. So but decided ukuthi ba host a homecoming, so we're still waiting for the date. And then Mangbuya Airport, yes, there was a homecoming where abazali bami and family and friends bathwele airport and they were wearing isindebele since nami ngimndebele.
Wow, inoba bekunanzikwa pha. Kuthiwa lo chani yeri. I mean, wena Sifokazi, I mean you really are a proof that possibilities are endless. And then qinisekile into yokubana as uphumelele zininzi izinto ezilindelekile kuwe ubangaba ungazenza, especially kumantombazana asakhulayo. How are you willing to use this victory to inspire young girls ingakumbi apho usuka khona into yokubana nabo man, whatever it is that you believe enhlizweni yakho, you can achieve it as you have done it?
Okay, when it comes to, let me just not say pageant because there are a lot of girls who don't do pageantry, but they are looking up to me. So when it comes to following your dreams, siphila emhlabeni onganama opportunities amaningi, so like you really have to grab the opportunity when it comes so that you can showcase your talents. And when it mina le platform inginike okukhulu because I've been to other pageants and I've won. So now njengoba ngiyuzile a platform akhona to inspire young girls, I will be using this platform to grow an even bigger platform for the next coming pageant, and I'll be inspiring young girls, as you said, to follow their dreams.
Yeah, girl, that's the spirit. High five. Asoze not uprithini wena nje udeserve eziphezulu. And siyaqonda into yokubana xa ukulo msebenzi we-pageantry ziba khona mhlanje i-charity organizations or charity programs oye ube involved kuzo. Khawusibalisele into yokubana wena uphezu kwantoni sithetha nje?
Okay, manje ngisabhekene nesikolo because ischedule sami angakasitholi, but engiyazi ukuthi for now I'll be strictly on school because I've been doing a lot of charity work back then so that I can grow my platform. So I think now I'm ngiqalene nesikolo, and then after that maybe when school closes I'll be doing a lot of charity works or on weekdays because since the charity work on Mandela month we were supposed to donate school shoes and sanitary towels, but we're still waiting for the amount of school shoes with ihlangane. Then we'll be doing charity work later. After that I'll be doing my school work strictly.
Kukhona okujongileyo apha ekhaya qonda bajonga nam ndiyafuna into yokubana ndifikelele kweli nqanaba uSiphokazi afikelele kulo. Mhlambe omnye usemakhaya, xa usemakhaya it seems like it's a dim world for you to shine, but here you are living proof that possibilities are endless. Ungathini kuye amazwi okukhuthaza into yobana jonga mani mntasekhaya, qhubeka ngalamandla nawo uzawufika apho ndikhona namhlanje?
Okay, first of all, nothing comes easy. You have to work. You have to work for things. And I believe that nothing is impossible, as Naluka Maliachi impossible. So I believe that if you stand up and showcase your talents in Agusa Woody, so please grab the opportunity and use it wisely.
Grab the opportunity and use it wisely. Speaking of opportunities, where to from here? I mean, this is a groundbreaking moment already. Uzenzele igama at only 13 years. So where to from here? I can only imagine. Awufika phako 20 uzobe uyintoni. Athina maphupha wakho ntombi?
Okay, my dream is to become a doctor, and I would like to become Miss South Africa one day and become Miss Universe again. So I believe that as I'm here, I'm building a bigger platform, which is a showcase, and I'm going to Miss South Africa and maybe I'm going Miss Universe if it's possible. But I believe everything is possible. So from now, I'll continue with my reign until next year, and then I'll enter another pageant.
Uyayazi lando ethi umlomo uyadala.
Yeah.
You have just spoken it to the universe. Ikumamele ndixelela ndingaxoxisa into kubana onke amazwi owatshileyo ngawe azophumelela. Thank you so much for joining us. Siyazinca ngomsebenzi owenzileyo. NgesiXhosa sithi anga inkomo zakho zingazala amaduna namadunakazi. May everything you touch turn into gold. Siyazinca ngawe. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Right, mbukeli we-Ekhaya Jikelele. Bendithi manje uzanifundisa what catwalk before siye evenkileni. Noba nje sihamba andazi ba sihambe siyephi because oko manje ndinalanto. Bukeli we-Ekhaya Jikelele usibukele apha ekhaya. Right, ngoku ke uzanifundisa i-catwalk. Masibangene ntombi.
First pose.
Yes.
And then when you walk, ngalelo pose ngalo
sibeke izaniphazamisa.
Okay, let's pose. Then sizosuka ngaleli olugobi la kithi ulibendile leli siyasuka.
Yes, nathi camera yethu pha.
And to start.
Yes. Halala. Yes.
Siphinde sikwamukele mbukeli Ekhaya Jikelele kanti njengamanje ake singene eindabeni zezemidlalo. Ibanyana imisela ukuqhubeka ukulwela ukudlulela esigabeni sokhumula jezi wokwendebe yomhlaba yeFIFA eqhubeka eNew Zealand kanye naseAustralia. Ibanyana iguqile emidlalweni wayo wokuvula kulomqhudelwano. Lokhu ke kuyiphoqa ukuthi iwunqobena kanjani umdlalo wayo neArgentina kusasa ukuyibeka ethubeni elingcono lokudlulela esigabeni esilandelayo.
Ibanyana yakwazi okumele ikwenze emidlalweni yayo emibili esele esigaba samaqoqo uma ifuna ukudlulela esigabeni esilandelayo kwendebe yomhlaba. Okokuqala nje kuzofanele iguqise iArgentina ngaphambi kokuyilungiselela umdlalo wayo neItaly. Njengoba ibanyana neArgentina bahlulwe emidlalweni yokuqala, kubaphoqa bobabili ukuthi bawunqobe lo mdlalo abazowudlala.
Definitely it was a really draining game, but we gave our best, we gave our all, and I think we are ready to face Argentina. It's a very important game for us. It's very important that we come with the same energy, like with the same goal, which is to try and get maximum points, because it's a very important game for both teams.
Yize yaguqa emidlalweni wayo neSweden, kodwa kukhona okuhle okwabonakala kulo mdlalo.
Unfortunately, the loss against Sweden didn't go as planned. It's not the result that we wanted. But we moved forward. The girls played really well. We really went out there and did our very best. Going into the next game, we know that it's a crucial game. We need to win. It's a very important game to get us back on our winning streak and getting our confidence high.
Njengamanje ibanyana isendaweni yesithathu eqoqweni G. Kanti umdlalo wayo wokugcina kwamaqoqo izodlala neItaly ngolwesithathu esontweni elizayo.
Kanti ke mbukeli uma ngabe sibuya ekhefini Xoxisana noMimi Mahlasela odlala indawo kaEgi emidlalweni owuchungechunge eSieverdelan oboniswa ke ku SABC 2 phakathi nesonto kwazise phela umbukeli lo mdlalo uyavalwa nguzibandlela. Mhla zingamashumi 26 kuZibandlela kulonyaka, ilanga lizoshona kokugcina alisayi kuphinde liphume emgwaqeni u7th Avenue lapho kuhlala khona umphakathi omncane eHillside eGoli. Kulomgwaqo u7th Avenue obizwa ngesiyevedelani ngolimi lwesibhunu sibhekana nezigigaba ezahlukene ezempilo, ukuphumelela nokwehluleka, siphinde futhi sibhukule sizame futhi uthando nenzondo, ukufezeka nokushabalala kwamaphupho nokuyithola siseyimweni esingakaze sicabanga ukuthi singayithola sikuze. Nakuba ke sonke singakaze silibhade kusiyevedelani, kepha ke besihlangana khona njalo ntambama ku SABC 2 kuleminyaka engama-23 eyedlule. Size sakha ubuhlobo nezintandokazi okukhona kuzo Obas, Hilda, uShamaine, uEggy, uEmma nomndeni wakwaMain Kiss. Mbukeli ke okusihlukanisana lo mndeni wethu isinqumo nje somsakazelo omphakathi SABC sokuqeda ngomdlalo owuchungechunge oboniswa ku SABC 2 isiyevedelani. NgoZibandlela ke mbukeli uzokhonjiswa isiqephu ke sokugcina, kanti ukuqonda kamanzi ngalokhu semukela ke omunye abalingisi abaqavile kulomdlalo uMimi wakwaMahlasela olingisa ke indawo kaEggy. Mimi, asikubingelele, sibonga kakhulu ukuthi unathi namhlanje ohlelweni.
Ngibonga mina, sanibona nonke emakhaya.
Hey, yazi benginewari namhlanje because ngiyacabanga ukuthi yazi the last time sine interview yethu it was so nice, sasi happy sixoxa kumnandi. So nje ngayicabanga ngathi mina wonke samusisi Mimi namhlanje I'm sure vele ama spirits are down, angazi nokuthi ngizomqala kanjani, but nje azivele siqale eqaleni ukuthi iphelile iminyaka ewu18 uyingxenye yalolu hlelo isiyevedelani. Ingabe nje sekunjani ke emsebenzini ukwazi ukuthi senize emsebenzini every day, but niyazi ukuthi awumazithi 21 October ziyakhala kuzobe kuqoshwa isiqephu sokugcina. Ngabe nje injani imudi kwi-cast ne-crew?
Ukukhuluma iqiniso, I think asikaka process sonke ukuthi kwenzakalani, kodwa siyazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Wonke umuntu usafika emsebenzini ngokuyimisela nangenjabulo, khona lawo ma moments during the day la imoya uphansi khona mawukhumbula ukuthi eyikonje sesiyela kulesikhathi la soqeda khona, but kusase right okwamanje.
Manje iSABC ibeka esinye sezizathu sokuthi ihoxiselo luhlelo isizathu seviewership ukuthi hayi inombolo azikho enough. Ingabe mhlawumbe nina banichazele ngokwanele yini naqiniseka futhi ngezizathu abanikeze zona?
Ngokunderstanda kwethu into abasichazele yona ukuthi i-viewership yehlile kakhulu and lokho kwenziwa yi-load shedding nakhona. Ngenkathi thina sesidlala i-prime time isuke sekuyi-load shedding, so into abasichazele yona, kodwa siyazi ukuthi sine support enkulu kuma-fans wethu. Ama-fans wethu ahlale ebhekile njalo noma ba-downloada somewhere or ba-streama somewhere, kodwa bahlale babukile umdlalo wethu.
Bayakwazi noku-catch up futhi even sezidlulile isikhathi. Uyabona nje usakhuluma ngama-fans, ngibonile lapha ukuthi kune-petition ebizwa nge-change.org. Isayindwe abantu abangaphezulu ka-20,000 abafuna ukuthi iSABC ihoxise lesi sinqumo sayo sokuvalwa kwalomdlalo. Ungathi nje kubalandeli benu ngabasafisa ukubona isiyevedelani iqhubeka?
Ngingathi kubo siyabonga kakhulu, abekho abalandeli abafana nabesiyevedelani. Siyabonga kakhulu for i-support nothando all the years. I think i-success ye-show iyenzwe yini futhi.
Because nje baningi abantu kade ngibona nje nama-comments wabo abaningi besho ukuthi yazi mina i-Afrikaans ngayiphasiswa isiyevedelani esikoleni.
Kakhulu baningi bona, so siyababonga kakhulu from i-cast ne-crew. Ngiyazi esikhathini esiningi abantu bahleli babona thina esiyi-cast, kodwa i-crew esisebenza nayo iyabonga kakhulu.
Behind because you know maqhamuka isinqumo esinjengalesi uyacabanga ukuthi we bangakanani abantu abazoba affected by this and all of that. Okwamanje-ke nje director wami akungisiza lapho ukuthi ukudlala nje iclip unyana yalapha esiyevedelani ke sibuke kancane kamazwibela eyiwombe ezesiyevedelani.
Ek het 'n plek waar ek veilig voel, 'n stukkie son in die skadu van die stad se gewoel. Hier bly my vriende, hier bly ek leer, ons mekaar reg ophou deur die lewe en sy seer. Here we dream dreams that are brighter than the sun, and in dark times we know that soon the new dawn will En hierdie loom soms vreugde. En hierdie loom soms 'n traan of twee. En wat ook al deur die jare gebeur, ons hou mekaar daardeur. En waar ek ook al gaan, my huis is op 7de laan. Ek ken 'n plek waar ek tuis kan wees. Die mooiste eenstraat dorpie in die stad van vrees. Days turn into years and
Ay, Osmini, yabona nje vele kushuthi nje inhloso ka direct uthi nje sowabili masikhala silile.
Yeah.
Ngiyabona you got emotional there for a bit.
Yeah.
It's the music. Hayi lo mculo lapha vele uzokukhalisa but I mean what's going through your mind? It's reflection, it's thinking where you come from.
Yeah, i-reflection nokuyiqhenya kakhulu, proud of the show ne-success yayo. Nomsebenzi wami ngiwenzile on the show, especially i-character yami.
Yes.
Ufike ayi-cleaner and now she's a renowned businesswoman. So ukuyiqhenya kakhulu. As much as kubhlungu, kunenjabulo at the same time for the future to see ukuthi i-new chapter isiphatheleni sonke.
Because bethi vele ngisazokubuza ukuthi ke manje ke siyabona ukuthi okay ya ekugcineni impilo yenu le.
Yebo.
You know indlela eniphilisa ngayo beniphilisa ngayo yonke leminyaka sekuqhamuka lesisinqumo esesiqhamuka manje esesenza ukuthi ke manje okay take a step back now and think ukuthi okay so where to from here for uMimi Mahlasela.
I-acting ngizolongiqhubeka ngiyenza i-first love yami. I don't think kunenye into engifuna ukuyenza ngempilo yami ngaphandle kwe-acting. Kodwa ngifuna nokwenza i-producing, so I'm going to be shadowing a lot of my friends kwi-producing ngibona ukuthi kusebenza kanjani lapho kodwa nisazongibona kakhulu.
Hayi futhi siyakubona na ku Instagram girl active. Hayi siyabona ama post lapha yana sithi keep up with you. Sinifisela nje konke okuhle okumhlophe sibonge kakhulu sinethulela nje isiqhoko sithi salute ngomsebenzi wenu omuhle owenzile nawe kanjalo nozakwenu bonke nje besevedelani sinifisele konke okukhanyayo.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Sibonge kakhulu ukuthi sihlanganyele kanye nawe namhlanje ekhaya Jikelele. Mbukeli ke lowo bekuMimi Mahlasela besixoxisana naye ngodaba lesiyevedelani esaziyo kosekumenyezeliwe ukuthi ke iyagcina ngozibandlela kodwa nje ke isiqephu sokugcina sizoqoshwa lapha mhla zu-21 ku-October kuwo wona lonyaka. Ama emotions you know bittersweet kukhona ukuba proud yasho sisimimi ukuthi khona ukuba proud ukuthi where they come from ukuthi basuka bathatha into isaqala yafika lana yazi yafika lana khona ke futhi no bokuthi phela usuwenza umndeni nabantu seniyifamily niphilisana yonke leminyaka manje sekufike isikhathi sokuthi kuhlukwane kodwa ke nje ke thina siEkhaya Jikelele sibafisela konke okuhle nokumhlophe njengamanje ke mbukeli ake sithi nje ke qungaseyitolo sizobuya emva komsuzwana.
Ek het 'n plek waar ek veilig voel. 'n Stukkie son in die skadu van die stad se gewoel. Hier bly my vriende, hier bly ek leer. Ons mekaar reg ophou deur die lewe en sy seer. Here we dream dreams that are brighter than the sun, and in dark times we know that soon the new dawn will come. In hierdie loom soms vreugde, in hierdie
Siphinde sikamukele mbukeli ekhaya Jikelele ha umakholi bantu kwaze kwasedish mase ngibona uMimi esethi tear up you know, and imnu yandazi ke sana mangibona umuntu olilayo nami
ngiyalila kaloku walila nangalamini ndangilila
mangibona nje umuntu olilayo nami ngiyalila
phela since 2005 upart of ifamily
first ngisase high school
you omnye ude wathi ngoku i-childhood yam iphelile xa iphele i-70 lana hayi nami ke ndiye ndanodliwano ndlebe wethu negqiyazana elisakhulayo 13 years and ndiyayazi into yokuba umntana xa azoya phesheya umzali funeka ekhuphe apha epokothweni so nxatsho kubazali abaxhasa abantwana yazi xa umntana umqala eselula into ethi nyani ikamva lakhe liyawuqaqamba
yes hayi ngikubonile usushoti lapha ingane ibuka
sana ndabele ndahumble iwest bendizithembele kaloku uba mna ndiyazazi uba
ndizofaka namaqhoqo
ihlazo andazi why bengandenzanga phaa emaqhosheni ndibe mthe but ke ngxaka yikho wethu mani ngoku ke rhabula ufinxe kuqikelelo lwemozulu